entered into the Road to 100 mile an hour challenge hosted by Build and Velocity RC and Wltoys. So I'll leave the links to their channels in the description box below. We're going to enter this. So yeah, I've already adapted it, so it looks really professional and nice, and definitely won't damage that when it flips over. Got a servo on order. Got wheels and tyres on order as well. This is just a cheap ESC motor combo. Got a hobby wing to go in. And 5900 kV. So yeah, we'll get on with that. Yeah, I don't know how many people have entered, but it's good to see a few more UK channels doing it as well. So I've messaged Wheele and CWO1 Creations. I don't know if you guys want to be interested in doing it. It's pretty laid back, I think. There's not many rules, so it should be a good laugh. So yeah, watch this space.